You're gonna show us how you eat your bread? Yeah? Mhm. Ew! Just eat it. You don't want the white bread, so eat the fucking wheat bread. Yummy! Go yum! Go mmm! Mmm! Give it to me if you're not gonna eat it. Gross. Finish your bread, baby. And then it's NAP time. You laugh because you don't know how to spell yet. Can you blow Dada kisses? Blow Dada kisses, go. Can you blow Muji kisses? Go. Good girl. That's not blowing kisses, but you gave it to them. Eat your bread. They want to see how you eat your bread, like a big girl. That's not how you eat bread. Ew. Okay, no more. Give me the rest of your bread. Do you hear Puppy bark? Come with Mommy. Brooklyn. Okay, well, it's NAP time. Wave bye-bye to Dada and Muji. Wave bye-bye to Dada and Muji.